Zhengzhou E.P Machinery Company Limited, located in central China, Henan Province, is the manufacturer of specializing in kinds of briquetting plants, who is devoted to research and produce roller compactors, sawdust briquette press, charcoal dust extruding machine, shisha charcoal briquette press, sawdust briquette machine, and the auxiliary equipment, including crusher, dryer, mixer, and hopper. These machines are widely used in new energy recycling field, steel making plant, ceramics field, and power plant. E.P not only supplies the machines, but also offers the solutions of turnkey projects for large-scale enterprises, helping them making automatic production lines like coal briquette production line, biomass charcoal, barbecue briquetting line, DRI briquetting production line, lime briquetting line, and shisha charcoal briquette production plant. Up to now, E.P Machinery has set the successful cases in more than 20 countries: Ireland, UK, Indonesia, Thailand, Iran, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Lebanon, UAE, US, Mexico, and Brazil. We always gain good reputation from our clients with the advanced processing equipment, unique designing, swift and professional communication, skilled briquetting bonding technology, safe transportation arrangement, and installation service. E.P has the ability to serve all the clients well and supplies the qualified proposal of the production line. Our mission is to set the win-win system between customers and E.P. Tell us all what you request, and we will make every endeavor to meet you. Welcome to visit and cooperate with E.P Machinery, professional manufacturer of briquetting plants.
Welcome to E.P Machinery, one of professional manufacturer of briquetting machines.
Zhengzhou E.P Machinery can provide you with various kinds of briquette forming machine, such as coal briquette machine, charcoal powder extruder, biomass materials forming machine, shisha charcoal briquette press, and the corresponding production lines, as well as some auxiliary equipment. Welcome to visit